Hello everyone. Today I want to share how we can accelerate CMC, chemistry manufacturing and controls through digital data and AI. Practical solutions that will transform how we design, manufacture, and deliver medicines and vaccines. So CMC today faces several challenges. Our data is fragmented across labs, manufacturing, and regulatory functions. Processes are still too manual, leading to delays and higher costs. Regulatory compliance adds additional pressure while global operations increase complexity. These challenges slow down innovation and directly affect how quickly patients can access new treatments. We need a new way of working. The opportunity is clear. By combining digital platforms, automation, and advanced AI, we can generate end-to-end CMC environment that is connected, predictive, and far more efficient. Instead of reacting to issues, we can anticipate them. Instead of siloed data, we will have integrated knowledge. This shift can fundamentally reduce timelines, lower cost, and increase the probability of technical and regulatory success. Let's move to use case first, AI powered knowledge graphs. In this, begin with data integration. Imagine a knowledge graph that connects every piece of CMC data from molecule design to lab results to manufacturing scale up and regulatory submissions. With one click, we could trace a full life cycle of medicine. This builds trust in our data, accelerates and decision making, reduces regulatory cycle times by nearly half. FAIR principle, making data findable, accessible, interpretable, and reusable. Ensure our data is always AI ready. Let's move to use case second, predictive modeling and digital twins. So digital twins allow us simulate critical manufacturing processes in real time. For example, we can model biologics fermentation process, predict deviation before they occur, and optimize yield without wasting time and resources. This means faster scale up, more reliable tech transfer, and high probability of technical success across modalities. Let's move to use case third, automation and robotics strategy. Today, many labs still rely on manual workflows that create variability and delay. By harmonizing robotics platform across our sites, from liquid handling to high throughput analytics, we capture machine ready data and feeds predictive AI models. This ensures consistency, improves data quality, and allows us, our scientists, to focus on innovation rather than repetitive tasks. Next, generative AI can radically improve how we manage knowledge. Imagine copilots that automatically draft regulatory submissions, summarize experimental data for decision making, or generate audit ready reports in minutes. What currently takes weeks could be reduced to hours. This improves inspection readiness, reduces compliance risk, and delivers measurable productivity gains of up to 40%. But technology alone is not enough. Transformation succeeds only when people adopt it. That's why we need to invest in digital upskilling. A digital academy for CMC staff will embed new skills in AI, automation, and data science across our teams. This fosters a culture of curiosity, collaboration, and continuous improvement while attracting the next generation of top talent into our companies. Now, what is the value and impact? The value is tangible. By applying these five strategies, we can reduce cycle times by 45 to 50%, cut operational cost by 30 to 40%, and ensure, most important, regulatory responses in minutes. Most importantly, this means accelerating access to life saving medicine for patients worldwide. Faster, smarter, and stronger development directly supports companies' bold ambition to reach 2.5 billion people by 2030. In closing, the path forward is clear. With AI powered data integration, predictive digital twins, robotics, GenAI knowledge management, and strong change leadership can lead next frontier in medicine development.